Yes, a ribbon cutting is a simple affair. You have a pair of scissors and a ribbon, but it's much more important than that, of course. What I'll say is that a robotics lab is not a luxury. That's not how I'm thinking about this. That's not the spirit in which it was built. It's not a luxury in the sense that this is a space that only students only come here on rare occasion. We want this investment to be an integral part of the experience of the students of Miva. Of course, with all the sort of operational things that we have to consider, this should be wide open for students to come into, using it as part of their core curriculum, but also doing extracurricular things and learning. As we walk into this room, I guess we should keep in mind that we're walking into a new future. So first of all, a new future in the sense that this is the future that the students are going to be living in and working in the future. Future of intelligent systems and automation that has real implications for productivity and the way economies are structured, but also has implications for the job market. And so we want our own students to be as prepared for that future as much as possible. We should dream big. This is just sort of an embryo system. The ultimate vision for this is that these will be everywhere in the Federation. So this is just one of the beginnings. So please just as you walk and think about it through those lenses. Again, I want to stress, I know when I look at my colleagues and I look at the student body and just the incredible spirit and the innovative spirit of Miva Open University, I know we're not one of those universities that will launch one of these things, cut a ribbon and then lock it up and then nobody goes in it to use it. That's not the spirit in which it was built. Yeah, it's not how we do things. The student body, I guess we should be congratulating you more than anyone else. I wish when I was going to college, even in the US, frankly, we didn't have robotics labs. We can't say we're building a university and only exist on operating systems and a browser. There's a real world with real physical, tangible things to manipulate and real economies to grow. Congratulations to us as we step boldly into the future. And well done, Ihanye and the team, for getting this together. Thank you very much for getting this together. Thank you very much for getting this.